Hi, today we are going to look at calculation of income tax. Let us see what is the table for income tax slabs. As you can see here, up to 3 lakhs there is no tax. Then between 3 lakhs to 6 lakhs we have 5% of the income which exceeds 3 lakhs, right? So, and same way between 6 lakhs to 9 lakhs is 15,000 plus 10% of income more than 6 lakhs, right? Similarly, 9 to 12 lakhs is 45,000 plus 15% more than 9 lakhs. And 12 to 15 lakhs is 90,000 plus 20% more than 12 lakhs. And above 15 lakhs, we have 1 lakh 50,000 tax plus 30% of the income which exceeds more than 15 lakhs. Now, under such complex and varying rule for tax rates with different slabs and different percentages for different taxable income range, it is pretty easy to work out with a simple application of VLOOKUP with approximate match. Those of you who haven't seen my previous video on VLOOKUP, please do that. It will make it easier for you. All right, let's begin with the solution of this. What is given as an explanation of the income tax slab rates cannot be used for a formula. So what we need to do is to work out a table. Okay. So under the different slabs, so first one is between 0 and 3 lakhs. Next one is between 3 lakhs and 6 lakhs. Then 6 lakhs and 9 lakhs, and 9 lakhs and 12 lakhs, and 15 lakhs and 15 lakhs and above. So in the income range, you just put one value 0, 3 lakhs. So that is the barrier between the range 0, 3 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 9 lakhs, 12 lakhs, and 15 lakhs. Now, if you go back, there are two components required for working out the income tax. Okay, one is this fixed component of 15,000. Here it is 0. For the slab between 6 lakhs to 9 lakhs, there is 15,000 fixed component. Likewise, 45,000, 90,000, and 1.5 lakh thousand. So how much is it in this case? Between 3 lakh and 6 lakhs, it is 0, right? And the second component is the percentage, okay, which says 10%, 15%, 20%, 30%, but of what? Of income exceeding 6 lakhs, income exceeding 9 lakhs. So we need to work out these things and write down in a table so that we can effectively use a VLOOKUP table. So let's see how we have done it. So firstly, we write all the ranges 0, 3 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 9 lakhs, and so on up to 15 lakhs. Then we write the IT slab component. For 0 up to 0 and 3 lakhs, there is no slab component, there is no tax, so tax percentage is also 0, right? Then between 3 lakhs and 0, that means from 0 up to 3 lakhs, the slab component is 0 because tax is only 5%. So IT percent is 5% of the income, right? That's it. Now between 3 lakhs and 6 lakhs, there are two components. One is 15,000, which we need to write first, and then add 10% of difference between the incomes what you have and 3 lakhs. Supposing your income is 4 lakhs and you want to work out for 4 lakhs. So you will need to first take 15,000 plus 4 lakhs minus 3 lakhs, that is 1 lakh, and work out 10% of that and add to that. I hope you got it. So what we have done is these fixed components which are given over here, this is 0, 15,000, 45,000, 90,000, 1 lakh 50,000 are written in this column of the table. And in the last column of the table, which is given the percentage 10%, 0%, 5%, 10%, 15%, 20%, and 30%. So First one is 0 and 5%, 10%, 15%, 20%. This is the crucial part of preparing the table correctly. Once you have prepared the table, your job is finished 90%. What you do is select the whole table, right? Select the whole table like this and give it a name. Okay, select whole table and give it a name. As you can see here in the name box, I have given it a name as tax slabs. That is the name of the table. I would be using it in the formula, right? That's all. Having done the name of the thing, here for example we have taxable income, which is written as 17 lakhs, and here we have a tax which is worked out as 2.2 lakhs 10,000. How did we work it out? We have entered a VLOOKUP formula over here, as you can see in the formula box, right? Here it's pretty easily visible, right? The table is selected in this color and the cell which is selected D20 is over here. Okay, for convenience, I have just copied the formula down, which I'm going to explain to you. Okay, so what is the formula used? Formula used is for this particular table, right? So we use formula used VLOOKUP. So we need to add two components. Firstly, we need to add this component. Okay, so this component we are going to get by using a VLOOKUP. For what? Lookup value is 17 lakh, that is D20. And which table we are going to get the answer? I have named the table as tax slabs. And in which column? Column number 2 gives the slab component. So we just write VLOOKUP. D20 is this, and tax slab is the name of the table, and our answer lies in column number 2. That is going to fetch you the first part of the income tax calculation, which is the slab component, which we have to add, and then plus we have to add something to it. So the formula goes on further, right? So how do we proceed with this? Right. How do we proceed with this? First, we need to find the difference. How do we find the difference? For example, this 17 lakhs is more than the slab of 15 lakhs. So we need to find out 17 lakhs minus 15 lakhs. So how do we find that? 17 lakhs is pretty much available as D20 minus that 15 lakhs we use VLOOKUP again. VLOOKUP D20 is the same cell we use and the table name is also same, and it's just given in column number 1, right? Column number 1 in the table, if you can see on top, column number 1, this is going to give you 15 lakhs. That's it. It's very simple, right? So D20 minus VLOOKUP, D20 tax slabs, column number 1. So this will make it 17 lakhs, which is D20. This VLOOKUP will fetch and give you 15 lakhs. So 17 minus 15 becomes 2 lakhs. Multiplied by, we need to find the percentage, right? Again, we use the VLOOKUP for it. It's pretty simple and same formula everywhere. VLOOKUP formula, right? VLOOKUP, we are looking up at value of 17 lakhs, which is in D20, and put a comma. Table name remains same. We are using the same table, right? Tax slabs. But our answer this time lies in column number 3. So we just write comma and column number 3, right? What is column number 3? Is 0.3. So this multiplication factor is found out as point number 3, and the difference is found out, which is 17 lakhs minus 15 lakhs works to 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs multiplied by 0.3, right? That becomes 60,000. Okay, and the first component is 17 lakhs minus 15 lakhs, that is 2 lakhs. Correct? Right? So 2 lakhs plus, so that is the difference. So how do we get the answer? The first answer is given here as the tax slab component, which is between this by VLOOKUP, which comes as 1.5 lakhs. Okay, and the second component, which works out from here as 60,000, and 1.5 lakhs plus 60,000 is 2.1 lakhs. Shall we check it out for other values? just go here and we have to just change. Okay, let us make it 10 lakhs, right? All right. For 10 lakhs, your tax is 60,000. How did we get that? Let us try and look in the table. 10 lakhs is between 9 lakhs and 12 lakhs. Okay. So, between 9 lakhs and 12 lakhs. So, the tax will work out to be this 45,000. Okay, 45,000 plus 15% of difference between 10 lakhs and 9 lakhs. So that is 1 lakh, and 15% of that becomes 15,000. So 45,000 plus 15,000 is 60,000. Pretty nice, right? So you could try it out. You could change any of the values for the income, taxable income, and you would get the answer here, right? Simple formula. You have to just name the table and use three columns. Okay, column number one gives the answer of the first one, which is to be minused, and column number two gives the slab component, and column number three gives the percentages to be applied and multiplied to the difference, and that's it. Isn't it good? Remember, this table has been done for the year 22-23. If the values need to be changed in the new year, we need to only change these values, right? Formula still remains same, and it's going to pretty much easily work for the new year. Whatever values you just replace in this table, your formula stays same and it works and it gives you the taxable income. That's it for the video. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell to get notifications and share it with your friends if you find it useful.